Au clair de la luna.
Music rocks! Yeah! Is this thing on? Yes, can we begin? Alright, I'm ready when you are. Yes, of course. Back, we're already rolling. Oh, I knew that, of course. Well, hello there. I'm very excited to be here today because Mr. Zach has decided that Au clair de la luna is easy enough for a chicken to play. And if a chicken can play it, that probably means you can too. Let's put it to the test. Are you ready to start part 1 of... What's the song called? Au clair de la luna. Au clair de la luna. That's what I was going to say. It's a beautiful sounding French song, isn't it? Alright, let's begin. Here we go. We're going to start with measure 1, and what are my notes? C, 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 D. C, 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 D. Yes, that's correct. All right, here we go. And it should sound something like this. Your turn. I told you it was easy enough for a chicken to play. All right, and then measure 2 goes like this. We're going to play E for 2 beats and D for 2 more beats. 1, 2, 1, 2. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's go squeeze some lemons. Alright, here we go. Now it's time for measure 3. This part goes like this. It's a little harder. Follow closely. C, E, D, D. Got it? And then measure 4. This is the easiest one by far. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Alright, let's try the whole thing from the beginning. Perhaps we should go a little bit slower, Mr. Zach? Yeah, we could go a little bit slower. Maybe the first time, and then maybe once a little bit faster, and see if they can do it? That sounds good. You're the man. Alright, he's the man. We're going to follow his instructions. Even though I'm the teacher today. Hey, wait, I'm the teacher. Can I make some choices? Yeah, what kind of choices would you like to make, Bach? Good question. How about we play it once slowly, and then once a little faster, in case they get it? Yeah, Bach, that sounds just fine. Alright, that's what we're going to do. I decided. Here we go. From the beginning, we should cluck off. Cluck, 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 cluck. Hey, Bach, would it be okay if you used a count off, like regular numbers? What if chickens are playing? I don't know if they know how to count in numbers. I think it's mostly going to be human piano players that are playing. That's a good point you make. I don't remember very many computers or tablets or anything like that in the chicken community, so not yet, though. In a few years, hopefully it'll get there. Okay, here we go. Let's start from the beginning, and I'll use numbers. 1, 2, cluck, cluck. C, 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 D, E, D, C, E, D, D, C, 2, 3, 4. You know what? It's kind of hard to play with your beak. Let's try it again. I could use a little practice. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. C, C. Are you playing along with me? You should be playing along with me. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. C, 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 D, E, D, C, E, D, D, C, 2, 3, 4. That's a little bit difficult. What if I used one of my feathers? Mr. Zach, am I allowed to use my feathers to play this? Yeah, Bach, you sure are. It might be a lot easier. That's a lot more like fingers on a person. Yes, well, okay, I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to use my left feathers. Is that okay? That'll be just fine. Give it a try. And you at home, if you'd like to use your left feathers as well, you know, that's just fine. Here we go. One more time from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, go. C, 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 D, E, D, C, E, D, D, A, 2, 3, done. And that's all we're going to do for today. Give yourself a round of applause. Clap, 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 clap. Ow, 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 ooh, ow, ooh, ow, ooh, ow. Okay, never mind. Well, you know, clap for yourself, and that's all for today. Good job. Can somebody hit the button? You know, the one that turns it off? Thank you. That would be great. Was that pretty good? Is that a wrap? I think we're good for today. Everybody, great job. That's a wrap. Nice work. Real solid. Great.